This is our level 5. So our level 5 houses our 24/7 teams, which is customer happiness team, we have enterprise, we have community, and we have team press. So when you come in, as you can see, we have 2 breakout spaces. We call this 1 breakout spaces. Kasi nga here in Canva, parang we're really giving you the freedom to work wherever you want. If you want to work on your desk, you can do that. If you want to work here in the breakout spaces, to have more of that chill vibe, to have that juice of creativity flow within you, you can do that. And since it's Christmas, we have like a little Christmas touch that we have installed for our breakout spaces. So come, I'm gonna introduce you to the team. Hi guys! Hi! Please welcome our friends from the press and from the media. This is the customer happiness team. So it's one of the unique teams that we have here in Canva because technically, diba, we have our Sydney headquarters. But our customer happiness team, which is our customer support, is mainly here lang in the Philippines. So that's Filipino pride. Come! So this also houses our customer happiness team up until that point. So as you can see, the meeting room names here are very Filipino then. So those are Filipino food. We have sapin-sapin, kutsita, kalitaw, bibingka. Then we call this meeting rooms booth rooms. So if you want to work parang here lang inside with your headphones, you can just book it lang. So here as well on beanbag. Just look at that, he's working on a beanbag. So here, yan. So we also have this kind of meeting rooms that we have inside. So there. Hi guys.
This is Canva University, so our LMD team.
Curriculum numbers.
So this is, yes, here. So right now here, since I'm talking to you about ergonomically, like you can work anywhere and stuff, diba? Kanina we took the stairs from level 6 going here kasi nga we're promoting fitness and stuff. Here we have standing desk. So, you can just press this one and it will go up. So if you don't want to work sitting down, you can work standing up. So here kasi, usually in a normal office setting, yung chair ang nag-adjust. But here in Canva, the table will adjust for your needs. I'm pretty sure, but I think Canva is one of the pioneer companies who really has this kind of employee assistance. Because technically, the coaching room, we have kasi an internal coach. So that's why we have the coaching room. The coaching room talaga is more of, it really helps a lot of employees to really debrief. So you can book a session with our internal coach, whether you're going through something like going to grief, to depression. That's why here in Canva, as you can see as well in level 6, we have that mental booth just at the back lang ng registration area. Kasi we are really employee-centric. We value each and everyone's feelings and emotions na if you feel really cluttered, just book a session with CC. We call her CC and that's her name, our internal coach. And she will help you sort everything out. So that's one of the private facility that I have. So another one is if you are like parang not comfortable talking to CC, we have an external coach pa, which is our employee assistance program partnered with InTouch. So parang if you don't want to talk to CC, you want to have more outside the office na, just book a session with them. So aside, we have like 13 sessions per year that an employee can use for InTouch. Come. So aside from level 6, which is our main eating area, we also have like pantry per floor. So as you can see, this is our level 5 pantry. Inside. So here kasi in Canva, we have that concept of Pinoy salo-salo. Di ba sa atin talaga, pagising mo sa umaga, breakfast na kayo kagad ng family mo, then lunch and dinner. So we want to install that culture that we have to all the employees here. So as you can see, we provide them healthy snacks. So we have here crackers, mixed nuts that they can munch on if they're feeling hungry. So dito kasi, one of the core values that Canva has is empowering others and being a good human. So yung mga tao dito, pag nakita talaga nila na wala nang laman yan, we encourage them to refill it by themselves. That's why we have the stock here. Kasi yun yung mapapansin nyo dito sa amin sa Canva, na parang we have housekeeping personnel pero we don't have a lot. Kasi nga, we want each and every employee to treat this office as their second home na kung kaya nyo naman siya i-refill, why not do it for yourselves? That's why we have that, one of our core values is empowering others. So there. Yes. So aside from that one, we also have here like the shared ref. So parang sharing is caring. So yung mga taong nagdadala ng bako nila and stuff, if they don't want yung food talaga na na-serve, like they have treats, like cakes and stuff, sharing yun dyan. Number one rule for shared ref. If there's no name on it, that's for sharing. Here talaga, lalo na kapag everyone is going on a trip, tapos maraming pasalubong, they usually leave it here lang, tapos they're announced to the whole floor na, hi guys, I have treats from you from this country, ganyan, ganyan, ganyan. It's for sharing.
Pwedeng beer, sir?
Here, I'm gonna explain it to you. So this is our beverage chiller. So here nga, aside from the snacks, we also provide beverage to each and every employee. So as you can see, we're promoting wellness. That's why we have here the juices that we have. And also, we are promoting creativity juices. That's why we have booze here. But number one rule for our alcoholic beverages, it only should be consumed after your shift. So parang, kasi nga we believe that we hired you guys because you're all good humans, so you know your responsibility when it comes to drinking alcoholic beverages. Kaya talaga, everyone here in Canva drinks responsibly. Kasi like, even me, after my shift, if I need creativity juices, I'll grab a bottle or two. Then I can like let it flow. Wherein like the employees can lounge, like they can sit on the sofa and work. And as you can see some of them, and they're into social, so parang it's a lot better to do it on breakout spaces. So come, we'll go down to level 4.
This is our first door in here at
Hello.
So, ayan yung mga first murals namin. Yuji, the kangaroo, and yes. This is
So we're the fitness team. We'll use the stairs. So we'll go now to level 4. Yes, we call it the movement corner kasi like yung level 6 namin. After shift, nakakonverge na into a fitness center. We have kasi an in-house fitness partner who is doing a lot of exercises. And let's begin that a bit.
For my license.
Yun lang lang sa babae.
So, outside. Come. So this is our level 4. As you can see, the theme for level 5 was Filipino food. So here in level 4, it's flora and fauna. We just recently, yes. Excuse me, we just recently opened this office last September. So come, as you can see, we have here a wall mural that replicates the theme that we have here on the floor. Quick fact, the murals that we have here in Canva is done by a local artist, which is Archie Ocros. So we want to promote kasi like local, go Pinoy here in Canva. That's why we have Archie who's doing all the murals that we have. And this is the creative floor because this floor houses our designers, our marketing, and our SEO team. So, hi guys! Hello! Good morning! Please welcome our friends from the press and the media. Hello! So, yan. Sila yung mga creative people that we have here in Canva. So, one of the trivia that I'm really proud of as well in Canva is, did you know guys, that almost all of the templates that you can see in Canva are made by Pinoys. Those are made by all those people here. So, di ba it's really nice, di ba? Na parang it's a global platform, but as you can enter like Canva, the templates that we have there are done by all Filipinos. So, there. Here as well, parang since as part of creating a workspace culture that everyone can do their best at, we really love greeneries. Kaya kung makikita nyo, niliteral namin ang flora and fauna with all the plants that we have. So we have here a lot of greenery so that all the employees can have that breath of fresh air. And we also have breakout spaces, just like what we have in level 5, with a little Christmas touch. So some of the people, some of the employees, if they don't want to work there, they can work on the breakout spaces. So here, I'm gonna introduce you to them. Hi guys, good morning. Please welcome our friends from the press and the media. Hello, hello, good morning. So I'm giving them an office tour. So this is also part of our creative people here in Canva. So as you can see, we have a ping pong table. So like ito, during usually launches at 12 to 11, around 12:30 we mag-message na sa Slack, guys, ping pong. Kasi here, we want you guys to feel very empowered and very relaxed para you can be productive throughout the day. So parang this one, mamaya after lunch makikita nyo, may nagbe-bingkong na dyan, usually din after office. So we also have here the mini pantry and the mini bar, same dun sa level 5 that we have. So yan din siya. So we have here so the meeting rooms and stuff that we have, and the booth rooms, same on what we have on level 5. So there. This one then, the mural that we have here is also made by Archie Onclos. So it's inside with the theme that we have on the whole floor. So it's flora and fauna. Just if you have any questions, guys, just let me know.
They wanna send our resume.
Ah! This is where all the eating happens and all the event happens. So during breakfast and lunch, sabay-sabay talaga kami kumakain kasi we want to have that concept of salo-salo. Like one whole family lang here, salo-salo talaga. Like the chefs, we have no chefs kasi who cook nothing good for us. So they put all the food there on the food to the table. Tapos kami, kukuha lang kami, pipila, and we're gonna sit, mingle, and talk to everyone here in Canva. Kaya like here, since we're growing then, as much as possible, we want to have breakfast and lunch with different people para nakakausap talaga namin sila. Yes, like all the lunch, all the breakfast and lunch that we have here in Canva is for free for everyone. Like that's on a daily basis. Kasi nga, that's what we want to have there. It's a concept of salo-salo. Like all the, like from food to beverage, it's all free. As in like, you don't have to make any gastos that we have here once you're an employee of Canva. So aside from that one, as you can see, we have here the gym equipments. Kasi nga, after office hours, here up to space na to, and we have our fitness parts and who's doing certain types of exercises per day. So this is already varies per day. We have Muay Thai, we have HIIT, we have yoga, we have Pilates, we have jazz. Tapos every Wednesday, we have the anniversary. So it's a project.